Hey everyone, welcome back. If you have been using Firestick for a while, you probably know the Amazon App Store doesn't always give you the access to all the apps you might want. That's where third-party apps come in. They open up a whole new world of options for streaming and entertainment. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Cinema HQ on your Firestick. This app has become really popular because it's lightweight, super easy to navigate and offer a smooth experience without slowing down your device. A lot of Firestick users love Cinema HQ because of its simple design and frequent updates that keep the app running well. Whether you want to expand your library of apps or just try something new, Cinema HQ is definitely worth checking out. Please note, this video is intended for educational purpose only. I will guide you through a safe installation process, show you how to set it up step by step, and share some important tips to help you get the most out of it. So let's get started. First thing first, let's head over the search function on your Firestick home screen. Using your remote, select the search icon in the top left corner. It looks like a little magnifying glass. Click on it and a search bar will appear. Now type in downloader. You don't even need to type the full word. Just enter letter D and you will see the downloader show up in the list below. Scroll down, select it, and press the center button on your remote. This will bring you to the orange downloader app. Go ahead, click on it. You will see the option to download or get. Select it, and the download will begin. Give it a few seconds to install. Once it's done, you will see the open button. Now we don't need to open it just yet, because there are a couple of quick settings we need to adjust first. So press the home button on your remote, scroll over to setting and click on it. From here, go down and click My Fire TV. You might notice two options, About and Developer option. If you don't see Developer option yet, don't worry. Just go into About, scroll to Fire TV stick and click the center button on your remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3 all the way to 7. A little pop-up will confirm that you have enabled Developer option. Now hit the back button and you will see Developer options appear. Open it. Then scroll down and click on Install Unknown Apps. Here you will see Downloader is currently off. Click it once to turn it on. Just like that. Now we are ready to launch the Downloader app. Press the home button again. To find your apps, scroll over and click on the apps icon. It looks like a little grid. Whenever you install new app, it usually show up at the very bottom. So scroll down and you will see the Downloader is listed there. Go ahead and open it. When you first launch Downloader, it will ask for permissions. Just click allow and then select OK. And that's it. You are inside the Downloader app. From here, you can enter any website address directly to download apps that are not in the Amazon App Store. Type here the URL link of Unlinked App Store is unlinked.link. After typing the link, click the Go button and you will see a page will appear. Scroll down till you find Android. Now click on it. And you will connect to the server and your downloading will be started. Now quick reminder, apps like this stream free content, so I always suggest using a reliable VPN. Personally, I recommended IPVanish VPN. It keeps your activity private, protects your data and prevents your ISP from tracking or throttling your connections. Plus, it works smoothly on Firestick, Android and other devices. I have got an exclusive link for IPVanish in the description below, so make sure to check that out if you want safe and secure streaming. Let's move on our app. When the downloading is complete, a page will appear asking you to install the app. Select Install. Once the installation is finished, click on the Done button and delete the backup files to free space. Select Delete for installation files, confirm delete. Okay, now for this again. First, go to Settings on your Firestick, then click on My Fire TV. After that, open a Developer option and go to Install Unknown Apps. Here, you will see our app Unlinked is off. Make sure it's turned on. Now come back to your app gallery and open the Unlinked app. You just have to enter very simple code 1AAF2E1D. Hit enter and you will see a collection of apps that you cannot normally find on the Amazon App Store. In this video, we are going to download Cinema HQ. So just scroll down until you see the app. Here it is. Click on it and you will see the downloading will start. Wait a second to download. Now it will ask for installation. So click on the install button. It's really that simple, an easy way to install any app on your Firestick. With Cinema HQ, you can explore a wide range of content, including movies, TV shows, dramas, and even kids content, all in one simple app. The playback is smooth with little no buffering, and the app works seamlessly on Firestick as well as other Android devices. The latest version of Cinema HQ has been improved with the new features and updates, making it one of the most reliable and popular apps among Firestick users. Whether you are relaxing at home or just looking for something to pass the time, Cinema HQ gives you plenty of options to stay entertained. You can enjoy on your Firestick, Android smartphones, and even tablets without an issue. And if you are concerned about using third-party apps, rest assured, Cinema HQ is lightweight, user-friendly, and safe to install. And that's it, guys. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support really helps me to keep making more content for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy all the great streaming Cinema HQ has to offer. Let me know in the comments what you will be watching first. I will see you in the next one.